so that he's up on his shoulder, okay? Now I take this arm that was holding the hand and grip, and I go behind and finish the choke. Couple entries for getting the arm over. The one I tend to do is this grip. I pull this over until his elbow's in my hip. I use this hand to hopefully walk over his shoulder, pinch my knees down, and I double grip. I hold this and I pull my hips forward. If I'm lucky, I kick this arm and I can figure forward. Now this is terrible, okay? Sometimes I get into this position and I have trouble getting my foot where I need it or getting his arm, so I'll re-grip into a joystick grip. I'll grip here. I'll go underneath, I pull, I either V-sweep him or I'll put my leg on the floor and just turn him here. I'll pull my knee up, re-grip, and go here for the armbar. A couple other things you can do from that same position is sometimes I get the guy's arm over here and I'm having a little bit of trouble. I can't grab his hand right, he's fighting it. I can't pull it back because he's really getting it away from me. So if that happens, I take this hand and hold his hand and keep it away, okay? I'm gonna hold his lat and scoot away until his shoulder touches the mat. His legs will probably stay where they are, but I'm doing this. See how his shoulder gets on the mat? Now this looks weird, but I have an awkward entry for a back attack. Because his shoulder's on the ground, I can actually finish a choke from here. Because I essentially have his back. And I can cross my feet here because he can't do the leg lock counter because it's on the side of him. So just so you know, from that position, I have an arm bar. He pulls his arm away from me. I pass it to my hand above him, and sometimes I get a sweep. I try to pass and he keeps his hand away from me. So now I hold that hand and I'll extend it so that he's up on his shoulder, okay? Now I take this arm that was holding the hand and grip, and I go behind and finish the choke from here.